Speedy here. Just as requested from everybody, you guys wanted me to go ahead and make a video showing you guys how to find entries in the market. So I was going ahead and I was looking at copper every single Saturday, Sunday. I get my stuff ready for the week. My trades, what I'm looking for. That's like one of the first steps I take before I go ahead and look for before I even place any trades for this whole week. If I'm not holding any trades from the previous week or previous weeks before. So I'm looking at copper right now, and I'm going to go ahead and throw on ICHIMOKU again. Now I teach ICHIMOKU to all of my students. This is like our foundation of all of our trading. It is super powerful. Will help you with so many trades. I mean, if you're looking how to swing trade, this is exactly the indicator that you guys are going to want to use. And if you guys want to learn how to use this indicator, and this is your first time ever coming to this video, I would suggest that you go back to my previous videos and learn how to trade ICHIMOKU, because I go a little bit in depth on it. I don't go super in depth, but you guys will at least be able to understand at least what it is. So I'm looking at copper right now, and we can see that price is pulled back pretty significantly to the conversion line. So with price pulling back to the conversion line right here, you can already see a little bit of wicking going on, and that can let us know that we have some buying pressure. But what should I do to be able to find out, hey, how valid is this buying pressure? Easy. I'm going to go down to the weekly chart. Now, when I go down to the weekly chart, what do I see? I see a bullish hammer right here. So typically whenever we have a bullish hammer, this can act as really, really nice supports and lets us know that, hey, you know what? This can probably reverse and go right back up. So right now we don't have it on a support line. But what's really interesting is I personally would like to go ahead and get into copper if it can break. I'd be safe and I'd want to break above this level right here. So like 2.77625. Let's round it up there. So if copper can go way up there, okay, then I'll go ahead and look for a buy. I'll take it to here. Or you know what? I'll shoot for the long-term trade and hopefully shoot at the 3.3 thousand. We can look for that. Also, on the monthly, where I had it up here would have to let us know of a valid Kumo breakout. That will make sense if we can somehow get this span up here, or we can just go up here and then drop right back down. But looking at this, the future looks bright, so we could see a long-term reversal. This is going to take a trade. This is going to be like a trade that's going to take a long time. It could take a long time to signify itself all the way up here. So just based off the twist going on the monthly and then going off what's on the weekly and daily, seeing this about to twist down, this twisted down, we probably may be due for more correction. But it's important whenever you're looking at the market to understand every single scenario that can happen.